Hey guys, this is just a quick tutorial explaining how to set up the desktop cube in Ubuntu 12.04. I am going to be doing it in GNOME 2, the desktop interface GNOME 2. I'm not going to be using Unity because of crashing. Unity sometimes crashes when you're doing stuff in compiz, and just for ease of making this video, I'm not gonna worry about doing that. All the changes that I'm doing would be the exact same in Unity. It's just you just run the risk of crashing if you use the desktop cube with Unity, and compiz in general with Unity. It'll sometimes crash on you. But anyway, so what I did beforehand is I downloaded the compiz config settings manager, and I also downloaded the synaptic package manager. So let me open that up real quick. And I installed the compiz. Here we go, compiz plugins extra. So I marked that for installation. I installed it. So once you have those three things installed, you're ready to set up the cube and to use the cube. So what we're going to do is, I already was playing around in here a little bit, but we're going to want to check the desktop cube and also check rotate cube. There are only a couple things that we're really going to want to change or worry about changing. One of those is you can see from inside the cube or from the outside. I think it looks cooler from the outside, so we'll just do that. You can change your cap colors. They're just set to white right now. And you can change the transparency of your cube. And this is in the actual desktop cube settings. So we'll change it a little more transparent. We'll go to 75 for transparency. And transparent only on rotate mouse. So it's not going to be transparent all the time, but only when you're rotating it. We're going to go to rotate cube. What we're going to do is we're going to do zoom. We're going to turn that up a little bit because I think it looks a little funny if you're not. I can see, oh, we don't want quite as much zoom, so we'll go down some. Maybe there. That's kind of cool, a little much. So we'll go to 3. But so how you're going to activate the cube is you'll get bindings, rotate cube, change control, primary, alt button, and then button 1. So you just hold down control, alt, and then click your main mouse button and turn. And you can see I'm turning it and it's looking cool and everything. You can see I have a background set. I'll show you how to do that in a moment. What we're going to do is go into rotate cube, additional settings. I'm lying here. Go to desktop cube, transparent cube, appearance sky dome. So you're going to go to desktop cube, appearance sky dome. You're going to want to set an image, whatever image you want. I mean, it looks really cool if you have space behind there, or stars and planets or whatever. But you'll want to just find that image through this little file browser. It'll pop up and you'll place that image in there, and then you want to activate sky dome. Make sure that is active. And you can also, it's not going to look good with the picture I have, but if you have stars and space and stuff, it sometimes looks cool. You can do animated sky dome. So when I click and I turn, you can see it actually turns my background with me, which would look cool if there was stars and stuff. It doesn't look so cool with mine because mine is not like that, so I'm not gonna check that. So if you just look at it, it looks pretty cool just like that. Another thing you can do is you can add 3D windows. Those are already activated actually, but you can see how my window stands off my cube a little bit there. That's pretty cool. And excuse the little graphical glitches you'll get sometimes because I am doing this inside a virtual machine, so it's not, it'll look better on your computer, we'll just say that. And cube reflection and deformation, you can set an image as, for the top and bottom, all you have to do is add new, find the image source, and then move it to the top. So you want to click that and move it up, and then that would be, move to the top. I don't have any other images downloaded. I'm just using their standard images, so you'll have to do that. And then on deformation, you can choose cylinder or sphere. If you choose cylinder, you can see now I got a cylinder going. If you choose sphere, I see I got a sphere going. And just like I said, you can replace those images if you like, so that it all matches or it all looks the same. We're just going to leave it as a cube. So we'll say none. And I believe, guys, that is about everything there is to know about the desktop cube. One other really important thing is you're going to want to go to general options, desktop size. You want to click this up to 4 because it'll be 2 and 2. Click this down to 1 and click this up to 4. You can see if I change it to 2 and 2, I'm just going to get a flat piece of paper thing going on there. So you want to check that down to 2 and that up to 4. And now you can see we got the whole desktop cube going on. But yeah, it's a really fun thing to mess around with. I'll put some more videos up on how to really use compiz and get some fun stuff going. But yeah, that's the desktop cube.